Today, I want to share some important updates on the latest earthquake that struck near San Francisco. Just yesterday, a magnitude 5.2 quake rattled the region, causing minor damage but thankfully no serious injuries. Seismologists are closely monitoring aftershocks, which can continue for days. This quake serves as a reminder of California's seismic activity, with experts emphasizing the importance of preparedness. If you live in an earthquake-prone area, now's the time to check your emergency kits and make a family plan. Stay safe and stay informed.